So we're here at South Quay, near Cirkewwa in Malta, and we're going to be releasing this morning 7 Nursehound Sharks. The Nursehound Sharks were collected as egg capsules from their landed mothers by fishermen at the fish market by members of Sharklab, and then located to the National Aquarium where they were developing for 6 months until they finally hatched. They hatched around about 5.5 to 6 months ago, and since that point they've been feeding well on squid and small pieces of white fish until they're to a good size, ready to be released and put back into the sea. The Nursehound Shark is a very deep water species, and South Quay is an ideal location for the release because at the mouth of the bay the water gradually gets deeper and deeper, and we're expecting that the sharks will gradually work their way into deep water and finally find a place that they can call home and obviously live a long, bright future. The release was done in 7 individual teams. Each team had 1 shark. There were 5 underwater teams and 2 surface teams. The 2 surface teams were comprised of snorkelers and freedivers. And to mark the area, we actually located a surface buoy, so they knew the location where the underwater team would also be doing the same release. The 5 underwater teams comprised of around about 5 or 6 divers, along with the leader who had the shark. When we were all in place with the snorkelers on the surface and the freedivers around, the sharks were then released. Now we hope, obviously, that they'll find themselves settled in a new environment, and gradually over time they're going to work their way away from the coastline of Malta and head out into the deeper waters surrounding the island.
I'm so happy because I'm here today to release the small sharks, which one was last 5 or 6 months in aquarium. And I'm so happy to help this project. Luckily I was here today to finish our job.